Hello and welcome to your daily reading about Solana. Since yesterday, Solana hasn't really moved. This chart doesn't show much. These other coins seem to be all waiting for Bitcoin. The Bitcoin market is very quiet right now. These altcoins are no longer awake. There's nothing rash to the upside, at least not yet. It's not clear that this is a bullish sign. There is still a yellow situation on the Solana chart that we are following. This is the bullish scenario. That is completely true, and I believe it has its place. But I look at it with a good dose of skepticism. That's how we should say it. Which is because the whole sector is not in a good place right now. But as I already said, the yellow count has its own place. It's true, but the microstructure doesn't make it clear to me yet that wave 2 and yellow have reached their lowest point. Okay. When can we say that the bottom of wave 2 in yellow has been reached? I need a 5-wave move up. That, along with what we've seen since the price hit its lowest point this week, around $123, is still not enough to confirm it's not even a 5-wave move. If you want to call it a rally, it's not really a rally. It's just a small rise that hasn't even made a higher high. There's a lot of uncertainty about it. Let's say the rise has only been in 3 waves. That means we need to be ready for prices to go down. See, it comes in 3 waves. It could always grow into a bigger 3-wave move. It could always become a bigger 3-wave move or a vertical pattern, but I would still need the 5 waves. I need this one is 2, 3, 4, 5. So until I get that, I can't say for sure that we have 2 as the bottom. Yesterday, I showed you the white count, which is a very strong 1-2-1 setup to the downside. This means that prices are likely to go down, and this was a 1-2-1 setup. This count is wrong, but it's still true even though it's marked with a question mark. This is because the first wave 2 is so small. But it would be the clear way for prices to go down. I think the blue count makes sense based on the most recent price action. We'll know for sure when we get new data, new wave counts, and new forecasts. How many blues are there? Based on the blue count, wave 1 could be bigger and go down. Wave 2 could be an A, B, and C going up before it goes down. I believe it is likely because the price went up in 3 waves from the low on Tuesday or Wednesday, and then went down in 3 waves as well. That means it might be an A wave with a C wave on the way. It looks like these 3 things could happen right now. Yellow, which is very uncertain, would have to show itself. So it's all about figuring out when the market will make things clear. When will the market make things clear? That's fine. We need 5 waves up. It would be clear that the yellow scenario is ahead if it could make 5 waves go up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It would be bearish as long as we only see a 3-wave move, or even a bigger 3-wave move. This leaves the door open for lower prices. And I think that's a pretty good summary of what this chart does right now. The small level isn't clear right now, but it's very clear what we need to see to definitely favor one of these scenarios. I'm not sure about the yellow count, and I'm leaning more toward the blue one. However, a break below $119.59 is needed to definitely support the bearish view, as that will make the yellow scenario less likely. We are currently moving around in a service area. From there, we would usually look for a response to the upside. But because of how the market is right now, I want to see a first strong 5-wave move up. That still hasn't been shown. It will be hard to break through around $161 and then $163. There you have it about Solana. I hope you liked the news. Please click like, comment, and subscribe if you did. But only if you really liked what you read. Then please take a look at the membership. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter for more posts. Thanks for seeing it. Goodbye.